Someone's asking, hi, regarding adjustable upper control arms for the B9 platform, you mentioned that clearance is needed to achieve -3 degrees of camber. Could you possibly specify what exactly needs clearance?
Yeah, I think they just...
Thanks, B9 uppers. Yeah, so there's a shock mount casting that requires, there's a little nub on it that you would want to sand off or grind off. It's gonna vary depending on what wheels you're running and your tires and things like that.
Yeah, I mean, it should be hopefully fairly obvious once you get it all together and you're getting in there and adjusting things.
How low the car is really affects the camber as well.